Good afternoon, everyone. So today I am doing things a little bit differently. I am going to be doing a grocery haul, but today I am doing a much bigger grocery haul than I normally would, and it is set for, hopefully, I'm hoping that this will last us for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I will have to go back to the shops and get some more milk and some more fresh produce next week. But I'm hoping the majority of this, all of this stuff that we've gotten today will last us, hopefully 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks is my aim, is like my minimum. So I will jump in straight into the grocery haul. So today I have been to Costco, I have been to Woolworths, and I have also been to Coles. Majority of this stuff is from Coles. There's a little bit from Costco, and then there's a little bit from Woolworths. All right, so I'm going to start with the cold stuff because it's a warm day today and this stuff really needs to get in the freezer. So we got frozen blackberries, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, some sliced tasty cheese pieces. We have also some crushed ginger, which I got from Woolworths. We have some diced beef. We have some potato gnocchi, and we have a big beef lasagna, which we are going to have for dinner tonight. We have some chocolate milk, and we have our usual 3-litre milks. We got some chicken and vegetable pies. We've got a massive thing of Magnums. This one's from Costco. And we also got some crumb chicken tenders. They're for dinner this week. We got some chicken Kievs, some stir-fried chicken. That's for chicken fajitas. We got mince. We got a kilo of mince, so I'm going to halve that and freeze it so we can get 2 meals out of that. And then kilo of chicken breast. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to halve it and get 2 meals out of that one as well. We also got tomato and basil sauce for pasta this week. And we also got a big thing of up and goes from Costco. So there is 24 in that box. And then we also got a thing of chocolate yogurts for this week. We also got some cheesy peelers. Okay, so this is the rest of what we got. So I've just had to put all the cold stuff away because it is such a warm day here today. I just had to get that done and away. So this is the rest of what we got. So we're going to start here. We got a little advent calendar. I got this for my son, so he'll start that on the 1st of December if I can persuade him to wait until the 1st of December. Not sure how that will go, but we'll see. So we've got all our fresh produce here. So we've got some apples, onions, broccoli, capsicum, spring onion, and some bananas. So we've got floor wipes. These are really good for if I want to like spot clean the floor, or if I want any like spot cleans, like spot cleaning anything really. I spot clean the couch with this, spot cleaning the floor. Like any gross messes, I pretty much use these for. We've got some more laundry liquid. This is our favorite. It works so well and it's so cheap. It's so good. Some paper towels, refill of the hand wash, 2 Harpic things for the toilet, refill for our dish brush. Got some Sour Patch Kids lollies.
I want to have one.
You want to have one? All right. In a minute, buddy. Let me just quickly finish this and then I'll get you one. Got some rice, some brown sugar because we were almost out of rice and we are completely out of brown sugar. Got some fettuccine. We have some bicarb soda here because we were completely out of bicarb soda. Coca-Cola, no sugar, no caffeine. That's for me. Coca-Cola vanilla Coke, is for my husband. So we have a glass of that each with our dinner. We also got some apple juice, 2 things of bread. We got some of the 2 fruits in strawberry jelly, pear pieces in black currant jelly, and then 4 of the normal raspberry jellies. 2 of the rice cups. I love keeping these on hand for easy lunches. Got some diced tomatoes. We also got some coconut milk. We got a 10 pack of Fanta and a 10 pack of Sprite. These were on special. So we got some minced garlic and some lemon juice. We got some multi-fruits cordial. We got a very big packet of chips. That is from Costco. So we got a 66 packet of chips. Got 2 things of massive muffins from Costco. So we got double, what are these ones? These are double chocolate, and we also got blueberry. So these ones are blueberry. We also got, I'm pretty sure this is a 3 kilo bag of oranges. I've been absolutely obsessed with oranges lately. They are so good. Sorry, excuse my lunch. This is roasted sweet potato. That's what I'm having for lunch today. They look kind of weird and disgusting, but they actually taste really good. So I'm going to put some avocado, like mashed avocado on top, and have that for lunch, and it is just delicious. Aged cheddar. That's just a really quick and easy lunch. Sometimes we'll put some bacon in it. It's so good. And then tomato, parmesan, and basil for lunch as well. We also got some hot chocolate. We also got some tasty cheese-less snacks. These are so good to snack on. These were half price this week too. That's why I got 2 of them. And yeah, very pleased with that. So that is everything that we got. Okay, so it is now the next day. I just got home from work. After I finished filming my video yesterday, the day just got crazy busy and I didn't get the chance to film like the ending. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little grocery haul that well, not little, it was quite big. So yeah, like I said, I'm planning on hopefully lasting 2 to 3 weeks, hopefully, fingers crossed. And I spent a total of, drum roll, $386.23. So bit of a big one. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my grocery haul, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.